Here's how to fix a muted video on TikTok. Now, if you're on TikTok, you just uploaded a video, but then you get a flag that basically mutes the video and you want to get that fixed. I'm going to walk you through the steps on why that happened and how to get it fixed. So for instance, if I open this up, it says if TikTok finds a copyrighted content or music, audio, whatever thing like that on your video, it says it has the power to silence them. So you might get a message that kind of looks like this. It says your video has been set to private or your video has been muted because the copyright owner hasn't made that sound or audio available in your country or region. So if you upload a video with certain music on there that TikTok does not have the copyright, claim to, or they don't have a license to, then potentially that opens them up to liability in terms of getting sued. So what they will do is they'll switch that video to being muted. Now, there are a couple different things you can do. One is you can open up your TikTok app here. You can go to your profile at the bottom right, and you can check in here to see if you have any notifications in here on the video itself to appeal it. Or you can go to your inbox here and look for any notifications in there to appeal that video if that was actually your audio, it wasn't copyrighted content or copyrighted audio. Now, another thing that you can do is you can always just hop out of here. If you don't necessarily want that audio, you didn't need it, you can always just open up your photos here. Let's go to a random video and we can tap edit at the top right. And then at the top left, we can just turn off the audio. So this will disable the audio from that original video. Hit done at the top right or bottom right. And then basically this video is removed from any audio. So you won't have any audio or copyright issues with that music in there. And then you can just upload it again to TikTok. So you can go through that step, or you can in TikTok just overlay any kind of TikTok songs on there so it doesn't have any of the copyrighted songs playing, and then it won't get muted. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.